good morning. Today is February 5, Friday, and it's 6:10 in the morning. I'm here to take up a 10k challenge, and which my friend gave me and asked me to run this 10k. So my goal is to complete this 10k today under 55 minutes. Sun didn't rise yet. It's a nice day. So sunrise is around 6:23 a.m. So without further ado, let's begin the race or the run. So it's 10k run. I'll be using Nike Run Club app to track my speed, pace, and the distance as well. So really excited for this 10k. I haven't done this before, but I have done 5Ks, so this is my first attempt at 10k. Let's get started. Guys, I did it. I ran the 10k and I achieved my target goal, which I said I would run less than 55 minutes, and I actually did it in 51 minutes and some seconds. So a good 3 minutes and 30 seconds I saved. Oh, it was a tough one, but with the guided runs through Nike Run Club, they really helped me stay focused and achieve this. I'm so happy. I'm not that exhausted. My heart rate is getting back to normal. It was around 130, 140s earlier. Back to 70s in just no time. There you go. Thanks.